Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another tutorial video. As you can see on my screen, while you open the Windows security and when you going to open it, message shown on that page not available. So guys, hope this video is you are facing and this is the right video that you are looking for it. So guys, as you can see, this is my screen. Please follow my steps. So first of all, you have to go to the search bar and type here regedit, then right click it, run as administrator. So click yes, go to here, please follow my steps. Go to H local key machine, H key local machine, then go to software, then go to policies, then Microsoft, then you click here window defender. Then as you can see, here is the right side, and here you can see the path, so you can choose one by one. Then here you can see in the right place, in the right side, so right click, then create a dword 32-bit value. So here you have to type disable anti-spyware. Then you have to here renew it, disable, okay, then anti, then spy. Okay, so click it here. Then here make sure this value keep as it is 0. Then again you have to click right click, then go to new, then click here dword 32-bit again. Here also you have to renew. You have to renew it here, disable real-time monitoring. Then here also double click after that. Then here also keep as it is 0. The value you have to put 0. Keep as it is. Don't change anything from here. Then click OK. Then you have to restart one time. Then try it whether it's working or not. If not, we have another option. Go to the PowerShell, then right click on PowerShell and run as administrator. Then here we have to run the one command, which is I already mentioned on my description. You have to copy and then you have to paste here. Okay, then hit the enter. Okay guys, then you restart. After restart it should work. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.